Hello and welcome. In this video, you're going to learn about myEcon and one of their flagship products called income shifting, the financial hack that no one is talking about. It's how to get an instant pay raise of up to $600 or more every single month without recruiting or talking to a single person. And if you're interested in creating even more residual income on top of that, ensure you watch this video all the way through and discover how myEcon is changing lives and helping people increase their cash flow. myEcon was founded in 2005 and they're based in Atlanta, Georgia. myEcon is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. They are debt-free with millions in cash flow, stronger now more than ever in today's economy. And they've helped thousands become debt-free and create many millionaires. Now, myEcon decided to break the mold when it comes to advertising. They did not go the traditional route that most companies try and fail, spending hundreds or even millions of dollars on radio ads, TV ads, and online ads. They go direct to you, the customer. We all know that when you get excited about something, what is the first thing you do? You want to tell somebody about it. And this is how myEcon has grown their business to over 100,000 active members in the last 20 years. Now, let's talk about how to get you more money. Somebody invited you here and wanted to share with you and show you how to increase your take-home pay starting today. What if you could increase your take-home pay by up to $600 a month in just 20 minutes without getting a new job or without having to start a side hustle? Most employees are overpaying the IRS and don't even realize it. They're giving away an extra $6,000 to $10,000 per year and they get nothing in return. How would you like to be able to change that? Most people fall victim to the income trap, the traditional model of work more hours to get more pay, or go to school, get good grades, get a degree, and then wish and hope and pray that you get a great job that makes you a lot of money. This model no longer works in today's society, and we all have to be very aware of inflation, rising costs, and paycheck plateaus. It's even harder today to make the income that we need to pay our bills. Introducing income shifting, myEcon's flagship product. Income shifting is a 100% IRS and government approved strategy that helps you legally adjust your tax withholdings and keep more of your hard-earned money. And yes, this is instant. It is the fastest and easiest way for you to instantly increase your cash flow. In other words, giving yourself an instant pay raise. Here's how it works. You're going to review your W-4 with the help of myEcon's training. You're going to make compliant IRS adjustments to your W-4. Then you watch your paycheck and see it increase over the next 1 to 2 pay cycles. Our members are seeing an average of up to $600 or more per month by using this income shifting strategy. Here's some real results from real people inside of our community. Keep in mind, myEcon has helped over 100,000 people shift their income with an average savings monthly of $600 to $800. And yes, this works for teachers, truck drivers, nurses, and more. Corey saved $600 per month using this income shifting strategy. Shannon increased her take-home pay for her and her family by $510 a month. Beth increased her take-home pay by $570 a month. Bella increased her take-home pay by $780 a month. And Mark increased his take-home pay by $700 a month. Natalie, a school teacher from Hingham, Massachusetts, says, I used this strategy and saw a $580 a month increase without working a single extra hour. Yes, these are real people creating real income, and this could be working for you as soon as today. This strategy that you're about to learn and get access to is not a job. It's not a side hustle. It's not tax evasion. And no, there is no selling or recruiting required if you want to take advantage of myEcon's income shifting and immediately put more money back in your pocket the legal way. It's fast, it's legal, and it's legit, and it's based on IRS guidelines. It takes 20 minutes to set up, and it's fully compliant and easy to follow. Now, if you're interested in creating even more passive residual income and sharing myEcon's proven methods and strategies, here's how you can create additional income right from the comfort of home. Our affiliates earn commissions through direct sales or team building. Refer others and earn up to 95% direct commissions. You earn overrides on any new team member that joins your team, paid to infinity. You earn monthly residuals paid on every single team member, paid to infinity every single month. There's no volume requirements, no caps, no cutoffs, and no gotchas. Take a look at the income potential by simply sharing myEcon. You can see the monthly income over on the right-hand side. Just 1,000 team members has you earning over 5 figures per month. And myEcon has many team members that have well over 10,000 people on their team earning incredible monthly income. Want to rank up fast with myEcon to earn more? It's actually quite simple. Get to gold with just 2 team members. Get to platinum with just 10 team members. Get to infinity with just 38 team members. And rank all the way to the top to CEO infinity with just 200 team members. myEcon also loves to recognize and shout out when people are winning, like Shannon and Catherine, who recently ranked up to EVP Infinity, or Daniel, Kirsty, Bill, Catherine, and Javier, who recently ranked up to CEO Infinity, creating incredible monthly residual income. This could be you as well. We all know that timing is everything. This information was shared with you for a very specific purpose. And right now, people need more cash flow. The cost of living is rising fast. And we all know that early adapters who get positioned for long-term growth always win the biggest. You're watching this video for a reason. It's time for you to take control of your finances. It's time for you to shift your income. Now, let me explain to you what you get as an income shifting member. You're going to get access to the full how-to video. You're also going to get access to all of myEcon's incredible wealth shifting tools. You're going to get access to savings portals and members-only travel portals, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money right where it belongs, in your bank account. You're going to get access to our proven member training hub and, of course, our full compensation plan. myEcon also provides your own online store, a live call center and support team, a full marketing system with sales funnels and pre-written professional emails, a comprehensive training for today's home-based business owner. No, this is not those outdated methods from 20 years ago. This will show you how to create a successful business using today's tools and technology. And of course, we have a proven blueprint that has helped over 100,000 members. And just in case you're a little skeptical, myEcon has a 100% money-back guarantee. So try it all risk-free. If you don't see results shifting your income, or you decide that making and saving more money is not a good fit for you, you can get your money back, no questions asked. Now, let's make sure that you have all of your questions answered. Is this legal? Yes, of course. Word of mouth advertising has been around for decades, and myEcon does everything by the book, all within government and IRS guidelines. Do you need a second job? Absolutely not. You can keep the same job you have, work the same amount of hours, shift your income, and make even more money. And myEcon's membership does not break the bank. How fast will you see results? Well, that depends on you and the amount of action you take. We believe in hard work, and we believe in sharing the incredible message that myEcon has to share. So the sooner you shift your income, the sooner you can see results. The sooner that you decide to share myEcon, the sooner you can see results. So can you help others with this? Yes, absolutely. You'll be given access to your affiliate links the second you get started, and you can start sharing right away. And no, there are no long-term contracts. Feel free to cancel at any time. The time for you to win is now, my friend. Get started. Click the link around this video or get back to the person that shared with you. Shift your income now. Keep 10 to 15% more of your hard-earned money. Remember, it only takes 20 minutes to shift your income and instantly make more money. Give yourself that pay raise that you deserve. And if you want to join our team of over 100,000 active members who are making incredible monthly residual income, all you have to do, my friend, is get started. The time for you to win is now. Action cures fear. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. You have two options. Option number one, stay the same, stay in that same position you are. Or option number two, get started. Let us help you shift your income and let us help you build and grow. We look forward to working with you and seeing you on the inside in just a few minutes.